Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be doing slime. Okay? So let's get started. Right here, I'll go get my slime. Alrighty, I got my slime, guys. So I'm gonna sit up now. Okay, so here's my slime in this bucket. Now, it's not very stretchy, but there's a way that you can get it and, watch. It goes apart really fast. So what you need to do is you need to put hand sanitizer in this, which I will go get. The hand sanitizer, which I'll go get. Okay, I have it. So what you need to do is to put it like on, okay, I'm putting mine, on this, a little thing. See, you got hand sanitizer. It doesn't matter which one you have, it just matters that the liquid, liquid helps it. So what you need to do is to put slime on your platform. Spread it out some. And if it's hard, don't spread it out. You don't need to. That's not good for it. If you spread it out when it's hard. Because if you spread it out when it's hard, it's going to break really, really easy. So, squirt it. Doesn't matter how much. Just squirt some. I squirted like a bunch. So don't squirt too much. Squirt it like as much as I did. Well, can't see it. Okay. So there's a lot on there. Don't squirt too much, because if you squirt too much, it's not gonna be like really like ugh. Okay, so let's, oh gosh, bed. Okay, I'm sorry this is bad shooting. It's just like on camera film. Just fold the slime and fold it. And that's how you do it, okay? Alright, bye guys.